What up, y'all? Hey, it's me. You know what I'm gonna do? I say we home cooks, and you know when you're at home, you experiment a little bit. So this right here is gonna be that cinnabon, but it's gonna be with a twist. Why would I do a regular cinnabon? Check it out. It's gonna be that chocolate one. You understand me? I'm gonna probably do a little caramel or chocolate or something at the end. I don't know. We're gonna see if this works though. Check it out. I always tell you I don't mess with that cake in that box. It's too easy to make it homemade, and it's better for you. But I say it in a certain circumstances. So check it out. This is what I'm talking about. This is one of those box cakes. This one is chocolate. So we are doing chocolate cinnabons. Now check it out. That's just the regular stuff that you do. That's what you do. Just, you know, the egg and all that good stuff. That's what you do. This right here, this is, you know, that old school mixer, 𝐂𝐻𝐿𝐼, dollar store, baby. Shipped in 2.5 cups of flour, 1 packet of yeast. I always said, man, what'll happen if I just put some yeast in the cake? Well, doggone it, we about to find out. I think well, I hope I know. Anyway, the yeast and everything is in here. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this in here. Kind of fold him around for a minute. You know, get him a little acclimated with what's going on. Get his mind right, because it's not gonna understand all this extra flour because it's not called for. But we're going to see. We're going to find out together. I know y'all think, oh, he done did this off camera. He already know what it's going to do. No, I don't. I'm telling you now. So if it's a fail, it's a fail. That's cooking. That's what happens. This is going to be more of a fold. It's going to be more of a mix than a fold. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put it all in here because it's going anyway. Give it a little bit of water, because we need about 2 cups of water, 2.5, and get him off in there, just like this. Now, we're using this as our dough. We're gonna mix all this up, get it all incorporated, get it out here. We're gonna roll it around for a hot second, then we're gonna let this thing rest for about an hour. Let it rise. With that yeast in there, that's what it's supposed to do. I know it looks scary right now. I ain't the first to do it either, but if I pull this off, I am the self-proclaimed greatest of all time. I'm gonna mix it all up. Don't worry, I know it look crazy. It's okay. Now, if I need more water, I'll add more water, but right now it's getting right where I need it to be. All right, well, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna drop him down on this table and we're gonna work for a minute, or get work. We'll see. I don't need no more water.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Yeah, I know I should have just pulled it on out with the spatula, but I ain't got time for that. Don't worry. I'll go back in and get that out of there too. It's still real tacky. So I'm gonna add some more flour to it. One of my cameramen, can y'all give me some flour here real quick? Cameraman's making their debut, folks. Pour it on top. Keep on going, because it's real tacky. All right, we getting there. So y'all don't want to see me keep wrestling with this, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and cut, and then I'm gonna put some more flour on this and get it together. When I come back in, y'all gonna see it resting in that bowl. All right, so check it out, y'all. Tossed him up, flipped him up, you understand me? And I'm putting him in this bowl, because now I'm gonna need it to rest for about an hour. I want this thing to rise. So I done worked him over pretty good. Put a little bit more of this oil on here. Just a little bit. I just want that all over the top, so it doesn't get like a coating on it, or a film, however you want to say it. Just like that. That way it don't stick to the sides real bad or nothing like that. I'm gonna put a towel over it. I'm gonna let that thing set for an hour. It's gonna come out of this bowl. This bowl is really too small, so probably off camera I'll switch it to another bowl, you know. But once I come back, I'm gonna put it back on the table. I'm gonna roll it out. Once I roll it out, I'm gonna put the dark brown sugar and cinnamon on it. I'm gonna roll him up. I'm gonna cut him up, put him in the pan, put him in the oven, cook it, break it out, put the topping on, put some pecans, however you want to say it. That's for my cousin, you understand me? Brian, yeah, that's for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. And 𝐂𝐻𝐿𝐼 Wooten, my cousin, my second cousin, one of my favorite cousins. I haven't forgot you. I know you want that blueberry cheesecake, and I got you. It's coming. It's coming. But right now, we're going to do this. So let everybody know that your big cousin said is coming. You hear me? And if your big head daddy don't let you cook it with him, or you cook it for him, tell me. Come call me. I got you. All right? Love you, cuz. Okay. I'm gone. Peace. What up, y'all? Hey, I'm back. You understand me? I got a little flour out here to stretch that thing out. You understand me? Yeah, I mean, it's working so far. Like I said, I'm telling y'all, we're going to see together. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I might have put a little bit too much oil in there. A little overzealous with that or something, you know? But let's see. Let's see if we can get this thing to do what we need it to do. It's kind of soft, though. But that's why it's an experiment. Everybody wants some sugar. I'm just putting more on here because I have it and I can. You don't have to put this much on here. I'm just doing it because I made it, and if I keep it, I'm gonna end up making something else sweet and I'm gonna end up eating it. So I'm gonna use it all. I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Like I said, this is an experiment, even though I know it's gonna work. Tell you the truth, if you get this from the bakery, they use way more sugar than this. All right, now from here, you just wanna carefully roll this thing up. Get him started. You see the ends is not perfect. They gonna taste perfect though, so don't trip. Now I always say, you don't wanna cut this with a knife, you wanna cut it with dental floss. But with that being said, I'm finna cut it with a knife because I need to get it done. Y'all don't wanna see me messing with this all day. I'm gonna cut him up, put him in the pan, and when y'all come back, when y'all see me, I'm gonna be ready to put it in the oven, and then y'all gonna see what it look like out of the oven, and then we're gonna wrap it on up and get some of this thing in us. Yeah. Now that I'm thinking about it, when you get ready to roll these out, you don't need flour. You can use powdered sugar. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven and let them go. I'm gonna finish up with those right there, cause them, you know, those are the misfits, you did. Well, oh yeah, we gonna eat them. That's just way too much flour on there though. Way too much, but that's okay. We're gonna take care of it. What's up, y'all? Hey, I done did it again. This is your chocolate with chocolate topping, caramel topping, pecan or pecan, however you say it, wherever you at. Cinnabon, you understand me? Listen, sometimes you gotta play with your food, like I told you before. Experiment work. Now all we gotta do is taste it. Let's see what we got here. Cause you know I used enough sugar. This whole thing's chocolate. The outside, you know, it's got a little flour on it. You know, hey, players mess up too, you know. Man, if y'all don't stop it, listen. I don't know if I should, man, look, that's good. That's real good. I know you ain't had it because I ain't seen it nowhere. Chocolate cinnabon with the chocolate, with the pecans, with the caramel. Y'all better try this one if you ain't tried nothing else. Y'all know Valentine's Day coming up. Don't play. Get yourself together, man. Because if they come to my house, I'm going to cook for them. You hear me? I got to go. That's me. I eat that. Who's better than us? Peace, baby.